विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु नो देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामः सिद्धिर्भवतु नो सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अद्यतन पंचांगम प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शरदृतौ व्यावहारिके हेमन्तर्तौ कार्तिक मासे कृष्णपक्षे द्वितीया तिथिः। इट इज देयर थ्रू आउट द नाइट संपूर्ण रात्रौ। स्थिरवासरः रोहिणी नक्षत्रम टिल 9:06 PM followed by मृगशीर्षम। शिवयोगः टिल 6:21 PM followed by सिद्धयोगः। तैतिलकरणम टिल 7:55 PM followed by Garakaranam throughout the night. Sarvebhyah Suprabhatam. So we finished Gangavataranam. We got so tired that we had to take 2 weeks of break. Kshamitam. And now we will be starting, we'll continuing from there. So the next sarga. Atha panchachatvarimshah sargah.
अथ पञ्चचत्वारिंशत् सर्गः।
विश्वामित्रवच श्रुत्वा
राघवः
सह लक्ष्मणः
सह लक्ष्मणः
विस्मयं परमं गत्वा विश्वामित्रमथाब्रवीत्। So having heard the entire story, Vishwamitra Vachah Shrutva, having heard that entire story, Raghavah Saha Lakshmanaha, Raghavah along with Lakshmana, Paramam Vismayam Gatva. Wow. Vismayam. Vismayam is awestruck or amazed. Having got amazed, listening to the entire Gangavataranam story in such a detail, Vishwamitram Atha Bravit. Thus they responded or acknowledged. Atyadbhutamidam Brahman.
अत्यद्भुतमिदं ब्रह्मन्
Kathitam Paramam Tvaya.
परमं त्वया
Gangavataranam Punyam.
गंगावतरणं पुण्यं
Sagarasyapi Puranam.
सागरस्यापि पूरणम्.
So what did they? The first response was Atyadbhutam. Amazing, super, excellent. Brahman Atyadbhutam Paramam Kathitam Tvaya. Katha is normally we think story, but katha is essentially narration. So kathitam tvaya, well narrated, great narration of the Gangavataranam, the Punyam Gangavataranam story, the divine story of the Gangavataranam. Sagarasyapi Puranam, the way she finally ends into Sagara, into the sea. And so Sagarasya api Puranam, the filling of the sea as well. Tasya sa Sharvari Sarva,
Tasya sa Sharvari Sarva,
Saha Saumitrina Tada,
Saha Saumitrini Tada,
Saumitrina Tada, Jagama Chintayanasya,
Jagama Chintayanasya,
Vishwamitra Katham Shubham.
Vishwamitra Katham Shubham.
So then Sharvari is that night. The night with nice moon is night. A moonful night is Sharvari. Sarva Sharvari, entire night, Saha Saumitrina, along with Saumitri, Tasya Chintayanasya, they have been thinking about that same story, meaning recollecting the entire story told by Vishwamitra, all the way starting from Sagara through multiple generations, and how Bhagiratha finally through 2 tapas, first doing tapas for Brahma, then for Shiva, and finally taking Ganga all the way through. So thinking that entire story, recollecting so that they don't forget. Chintayanasya Vishwamitra Katham Shubham, the good story of told by Vishwamitra. Chintayanasya Jagama, they went while thinking that story through the night. Tatah Prabhate Vimale,
Tatah Prabhate Vimale,
Vishwamitram Mahamunim,
Vishwamitram Mahamunim,
Uvacha Raghavo Vakyam,
Uvacha Raghavo Vakyam,
Kritannikam Arindamaha,
Kritarnika Marindama,
Kritannikam Arindamaha.
Kritannikam Marindamaha.
It should not say Marindamaha, but it should come naturally. Kritannikam Arindamaha.
Marindamaha.
Kritannikam Arindamaha. So Tatah Prabhate, so having spent that night enjoying, recollecting that story, Tataha, after that, Prabhate Vimale, in a pure morning, in a sacred morning that they got up, Kritannikam, having done their daily duties, that means all the sandhya, etc., in the morning, Kritannikam, Arindamaha, Raghavaha, Vishwamitram Mahamunim, Uvacha, Vakyam Uvacha. So the Arindama, most winner of all or suppressor of all enemies, Raghavaha, told this Vakyam to Mahamuni Vishwamitra. What did he say? Gata Bhagavati Ratrihi.
Gata Bhagavati Ratrihi.
Shrotavyam Paramam Shrutam.
Shrotavyam Paramam Shrutam.
Shanabhuteva Nauratrihi.
Shanabhuteva Nauratrihi.
Samvritteyam Mahatapaha.
Samvritteyam Mahatapaha.
Imam Chintayatas Sarvam.
Imam Chintayatas Sarvam.
Nikhilena Katham Tava.
Nikhilena Katham Tava.
So this is what he said. Kshanabhuta iva. Oh, Brahman, the whole night went away like Kshanabhuta, like just like a second, just like a moment, the entire sorry. So Bhagavati Ratrihi, the goddess night. So night is also a goddess for us. And we thought Nidra is also a divine activity for us, Yoga Nidra, etc. So also Rama himself is saying, Bhagavati Ratrihi, the night goddess, Bhagavati Ratrihi Kshanabhuta iva, just like a moment it passed by. Why? Because Shrotavyam Paramam Shrutam, whatever best, ultimate has to be heard, listened, we have listened it, and Chintayataha, and having spent the entire night thinking about that only, Nikhilena Katham Tava, your story that you told, Nikhilena, in entirety, Chintayataha, we have been thinking, it became like Samvrutta Mahatapaha. Thinking the entire night that we have been recollecting this, it felt like it was like a big tapas. It felt like a great time that we spent. So that's how Rama has responded positively to Vishwamitra. Tarama Saritam Sreshtham.
Tarana Saritam Shreshtam.
Punyam Tripatagam Nadim.
Punyam Tripatagam Nadim.
Nauresha hi Sukhastirna.
Nauresha hi Sukhastirna.
Punya Karma. Rishinam Punya Karmanam.
Rishinam Punya Karmanam.
Bhagavantam iha praptam.
Bhagavantam praptam.
Jnatva tvaritamagata.
Gnatva tvaritamagama maga.
Agata, tvaritamagata.
Tvaritamagata.
So Tarama Saritam Sreshtham Punyam Tripatagam Nadim. Tarama means let us cross over. Let us cross this, because they have come to the shore again. So Tarama Punyam Sreshtham Tripatagam Nadim Saritam. So various adjectives given to that river, Nadi, such as Tripathaga, which is Ganga, Punya, we know it, Sreshtha, great one. Nauresha hi Sukhastirna. Esha Sukhastirna. This now, the boat here, because all of them, all the rishis and all got ready. Even Vishwamitra has come. So having heard that, Rama is saying that, oh, we have come running, rushing. Jnatva tvaritam agata. You have Bhagavantam praptam tvaritam agata. So we came to know that you also have come here already. And see, normally, student should be ready before the teacher, before Guru leaves, right? So that is what he's trying to express. Oh, we came to know that you have already come to cross over, to start our next day journey. So we also have come rushing. Rishinam punyakarmanam sukhastirna nauresha. Of all the rishis also, for all the rishis also, that this boat hopefully shall take us happily cross over this nadi. So tadnyatva paritamagataha. So we came running quickly. Bhagavantam tvamiha praptam jnatvaiva tvaritamagataha. So since having heard that you have come here, we have quickly reached here. Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Raghavasya mahatmanaha.
Raghavasya mahatmanaha.
Santaram karayamasa.
Santaram karayamasa.
Sarshi sanghas saraghavaha.
Sarshi sanghas saragavaha.
So having heard Rama's acknowledgement also, finally Vishwamitra thought, okay, now everyone came, Rama is also ready, so let's cross over. So Santaram karayamasa, the crossing over, or rowing, going by the boat, they have started to cross the river by boat. Along with the Rishi Sangha, means along with the group of all Rishis, and Raghava, Saraghava, along with Raghava also. Uttaram Tiramasadya.
Uttaram Tiramasadya.
Sampujyarshi Ganam Tada.
Sampujya Shiganam Sada
Ganga Kule Nivishtaste
Ganga Kule Nivishtaste
Vishalam Dadrushu Purim.
Vishalam Dadrsha Purim.
So Uttaram Tiramasadya, having reached the other shore, Sampujya Rishiganam Tada. I mean, one by one, Rama and Lakshmana first they got down and they were helping each Rishi board off the boat. So that is in a way puja, Sampujya, and having done all the pujas to all the Rishiganam, Ganga Kule Nivishtaha, all of them have again settled in the Ganga Kula on the shore, on the other shore of the Ganga. Vishalam Purim Dadrushuhu. They all happened to see a very big city, happened to be seen a very big city there. Tato Munivarasturnam.
Tato Munivarastoranam
Jagama Saharagavaha
Jagama Saharagavaha
Vishalam Nagarim Ramyam
Vishalam Nagarim Ramyam
Divyam Swargopamam Tada.
Divyam Swargopamam Tada.
So Tataha Munivaraha, Vishwamitra Munivara, Saharagavaha along with Rama, Vishalam Nagarim, Vishalam Ramyam Divyam Swargopamam Nagarim Tada Jagama. Jagama, he went to. They all went, meaning Vishwamitra along with Rama and all other rishis went to that Ramya, the beautiful Vishala, very spacious, very big, Divyam, divine Nagarim, to that town, to that city, which they saw. They all went to that city. Atharamo Mahaprajno
Atharamo Mahapragno
Vishwamitram Mahamunim
Vishwamitram Mahamunim
Papracha Pranjalir Bhutva
Papracha Pranjalim Bhutva
Vishalam Uttamam Purim.
Vishalam Tamam Purim.
So as usual, we know Rama is the most inquisitive student. So anytime he sees anything new, anything interesting, he will immediately ask a very appropriate question so that his teacher will not miss answering him. So Atharamaha Mahapragyaha, the smart Rama, intelligent Rama, Vishwamitram Mahamunim Papracha. Pracha, Prashna, Papracha is past tense. Prashtavan, Prachati, Papracha. Prachati is Vartamana, Papracha is Litlakara, past tense. So he asked Vishwamitram Mahamunim, Pranjalir Bhutva, with nice obediently, with Pranjali Mudra, about Vishalam Uttamam Purim, about that big city. What is that big city? Seems I'm curious. I want to know it. What is that big city? Kataro Rajavamshoyam.
Kataro Rajavamshoyam
Vishalayam Mahamuni.
Vishalayam Mahamuni
Shrotumichhami Bhadramte.
Rotumichhami Bhadramte
Param Kautuhalam Hime.
Param Kautuhalam Hime.
So he's asking, Kataraha Rajavamshaha, which Rajavamsha has built this or has lived here? Vishalayam. So in this big city, which Rajavamsha lived? Who were those kings who have lived there? Please tell us that story. Bhadramte, all the best to you. Kautuhalam Hime. I'm very inquisitive. I'm very curious to know about it. Please, Shrotumichhami. I'm curious to listen to that story of that those kings who have built and lived in this city, because it seems like another great city. Definitely those kings must be, some great ones, and I want to know about them. Tasya tadvachanam shrutva
Tasya tadvachanam shrutva
Ramasya munipungavaha
Ramasya munipungavaha
Akhyatum tat samarebhe
Akhyatum tatsamarevhe
Vishalasya puratanam.
Vishalasya puratanam.
So that Puratanam, that old Vishala city, Akhyatum started to explain. Tat Samarebhe, he started to explain it. Tasya Tadvachanam Shrutva Ramasya, having heard that Rama's question, Munipungavaha, Vishwamitraha, started to explain the details of that old ancient city, Vishala city. Shruyatam Ramashakrasya
Shruyatam Ramashakyasya Chakrasya
Katham Kathayata Shubham
Katham Kathayatas Shubham
Asmin Deshe Tu Yadvrittam
Asmin Deshe tu Yadvruttam
Tadapi Shrunu Raghava.
Tadapi Shrunu Raghava.
So Vishwamitra started answering. Shruyatam Rama. Okay, listen now. May you listen now, Rama. Katham Kathayataha Shubham. I'm going to tell you the story and you listen to that divine story. Asmin Deshe tu Yadvrittam. Whatever happened in this place, Yadvrittam Tadapi Shrunu Raghava. Whatever occurred here in this place, not only about that town building, but the events that happened, the divine events that happened in this location, in this place, Asmin Deshe, Tadapi Shrunu. You please listen to that story also that I'm going to tell you, that special significant events that took place in this place. Purvam Krutayuge Rama.
Purvam Krutayuge Rama.
Diteh Putra Mahabalah.
Diteh Putra Mahabala.
Aditescha Mahabhaga.
Aditescha Mahabhaga.
Viryavantas Sudharmikaha.
Viryavantas Sudharmikaha.
So he started this another ancient story. Purvam Krutayuge, in the Krutayuga. In which yuga is Rama?
Treta
Yuga. Rama is in Treta Yugam. So for him, Purvam Kritayuge, one yuga before them. Purvam Kritayuge Rama, Ditehe Putraha, Diti, of her is Ditehe, Shashti Vibhakti. Ditehe Putraha, Mahabalaha, strong children of Diti. Aditescha, there is another lady called Aditi. Diti, Aditi, we all know, right? These are two wives of Kashyapa Prajapati Maharshi. So, Aditi, Diti. Very name is, what do you say? Opposites, antonyms. Diti is about two. Aditi is non-two. So, dual, non-dual. That's how the very classification and definitions are. So Diti's sons are Daityaha, Aditi's sons are Adityaha. That's how we know them. So Ditehe Putraha Mahabalaha, Aditescha Viryavantaha, Sudharmikaha. The additional qualification, Dite's sons are Mahabalaha, Adite's sons are also Viryavantaha. So Mahabalaha, Viryavantaha, common, meaning equal, matching. In addition, another qualifier given to Aditehe children is Sudharmikaha. They are dharmic people. They go by dharma. That is the significant difference between the children of Aditi and Diti. Tatastesham narasreshtha.
Tatastesham narasreshtha.
Buddhirasin Mahatmanam.
Buddhirasin Mahatmanam.
Amara Ajaraschaiva.
Amara Ajaraschaiva
Katham syama niramayaha.
Katham Syama Niramayaha.
So, of these, all these Dite's sons and Adite's sons, they were strong and also enjoying learning, actively participating. Then one day they thought, one day meaning over a period of time they have been thinking, Tesham buddhihi, Mahatmanam Tesham buddhi asit. Suddenly a thought occurred to them. Amaraha. Amaraha, Yesham Maranam Nasti, Te Amaraha. How can we become deathless? Ajaraha. Jara is aging down. So Ajaraha. How can we be without aging? No aging, no death. Katham Syama. How can we become Niramayaha? We say in our Shanti Mantra also, right? Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramayaha. Amaya is disease, niramayaha, without disease. How can we become without diseases? How can we skip aging, and how can we skip death? Those were the three qualities that they all thought, Katham Syama, how can we get them, or how can we become that? How can we be it? That doubt they could, doubt as in that curiosity they all got, and they wanted to explore that. Tesham Chintayatam Rama.
Tesham Chintayatam Rama.
Buddhirasit Mahatmanam.
Buddhirasit Mahatmana.
Kshiroda Mathanam Kritva.
Kshiroda Madanam Kritva.
Rasam Prapsyama Tatravai.
Rasam Prapsyam Tatravai.
Rasam Prapsyama Tatravai. So Tesham Buddhirasit. So finally they got a solution, or they got an idea. Tesham Chintayatam, of such thinking guys there, Rama, they got an idea. What did they think? Kshiroda Mathanam. Kshira, milk. Kshiroda, Udadi. Uda is a reservoir or a water body. So milk body, milk ocean, milky ocean. Kshiroda Mathanam. Mathanam is churning in a way, or churning. Kshiroda Mathanam Kritva. Let us do churning of the milky ocean, the Kshirodhanam. Kritva. Rasam Prapsyama. Let's get the essence of it, the summary of it, the ultimate essence of it. Let us obtain, so that that will give us the Ajara, Amara, Niramaya, all those three things that we wanted, that we will get when we finally churn the milky ocean. The final essence that we shall get, that rasam, will give us these three. Let's first take it literal story, then we can think the interpretation of it. Because there is one word here, rasam prapsyama, they said, and raso vai Vishnuhu, says Veda also. So let us try to get it properly. Tato nischitya mathanam. Shivaji, can you mute? Tato nischitya mathanam.
Tato nischitya mathanam.
Yoktram kritva cha vasukim.
Yoktram kritva cha vasukim.
Manthanam mandaram kritva.
Manthanam mandaram kritva.
Man mathur amitau jasaha.
Mam madhuram mitau jasaha.
Kshamita, mama doshaha. Mamanthur amitau jasaha.
Mamanthur amitau jasaha.
So tataha nischayam nischitya, having decided that they shall do this manthanam of Kshiroda, Mathanam Nischitya, having decided that they shall do the mathanam, the churning of the ocean. Yoktram krutvacha vasukim. Yoktram is rope in a way. So yoktra bandhanam, we say even in marriage, the varaha ties yoktra bandhanam to the vadhu. They take a rope and they tie it to her waist. So yoktram is rope essentially. Yoktram vasukim kritva, which is that big rope. To churn that such a big milky ocean, ordinary rope will not suffice, right? You will need a big, huge rope. And what can be that? The Vasuki, that huge Vasuki Sarpa. So they took Vasuki as the Yoktra. Mandaram Manthanam Kritva. And Manthanam is that stick with which you can churn. So you need a stick and then you need a rope in order to churn any liquid, right? So as rope, they took Vasuki. As stick, they took Mandara Parvata. Mandaram Manthanam Kritva Mamanthuhu. So as we said, this lit lakara is the past tense. You should have observed so many verbs in the like papracha, dadarsha, jagama. Just try to remember those words so that maybe you are learning Sanskritam also for past tense, simple, easy past tense. Mamanthuhu. Mathanam kritavantaha is mamanthuhu. So they started churning. Amitau jasaha. Amita. No. Limitless, infinite, energetic guys of Diti and Aditi, they have started churning the ocean. Atha varsha sahasrena yoktra sarpa shiramshicha vamantyati visham tatra Dadamshur Dashanair Shilah. So they started for thousands of years, they have been churning this ocean. That means they have been doing that for so long. Yoktra Sarpa Siramshi. So the Yoktra was the Sarpa from its Siramshi, from its heads. Vasuki has several hoods, right? From its hoods, Vamanti Ati Visham Tatra. These guys wanted that rasam of the ocean, but having done it for thousands of years of this Mathanam with the Vasuki as the Yoktram, so from that Sarpa Siramshi, from its heads, Ati Visham Vamanti. So all the hoods have started vomiting. Vamanti is vomiting. Vomit, vamati. Same Sanskritam word, root word there. Vamanam, vomiting. So vamanti, verb. All of them in verb in plural tense, a plural number. So ati visham, dadam shuhu dashanaihi shilaha. So probably Vasuki, how long if you keep churning it around the Mandara Parvata, Vasuki also probably got, what do you say, had got agitated or got shrills. And so it started biting that Mandara Parvatam. Dadamshuhu Dashanaihi. Dashana is the teeth or the, what do you call it? Kora is the teeth in a way. So Dashanaihi Shilaha Dadamshuhu. They started biting the Shilaha, the stones of the Mandara Parvata. And because of that, they have vomited Visham, Ati Visham, that too. Most perilous, dangerous poison, they have all vomited by biting the Mandara Parvata, Vasuki, all the Vasuki hoods have vomited Visham. So the first thing that came out of that Manthanam is Visham. Utpapatagni Sankasham.
Utpapatagni Sankasam.
Halahala Mahavisham.
Halahala Mahavisham.
Tena Dagdham Jagat Sarvam.
Tena Dagdam Jagat Sarvam.
Sa Deva Asura Manusham.
Sa Deva Asura Manusham.
So Utpapata, from there finally it came out. What came out? Halahala Mahavisham. Very halahalam, which is, it is actually a rhythmic word. Halahalam. It of course means Visham, but the very sound is halahalam. It created furor. It furor, fury.
Come from halahalam.
What is it, Shivaji?
No, there is, sorry. I said kolahal is also related to halahal.
Kolahalam, halahalam, correct. It is all related to that, yes. So one that creates that disturbance, where people start running out, is ahalam. So kolahalam, halahalam. So Mahavisham, halahalam, Agni Sankasham, like fire. It was like fire. What does fire do? It will burn everything. So also this Mahavisham is burning everything. What did it do? Because of that, Tena Jagat Sarvam Dagdham, the entire world is getting burnt. Jagat Sarvam Dagdham, Sa Deva Asura Manusham, along with Sa means along with Deva Asura Manusham. Gods, human beings, devils, all of them are along with them. The entire world is getting burnt because of this halahalam, which came out first because of Vasuki getting agitated and spitting that Visham out. Atha Deva Mahadevam.
Atha Deva Mahadevam.
Shankaram Sharanarthinaha.
Shankaram Sharanarthinaha.
Jagmuh Pashupatim Rudram.
Jagmuh Pashupatim Rudram.
Trahi Trahi iti Tushtubuhu.
Trahi Trahi iti Tushtubuhu.
Atha Devaha. Thus, then Devaha, all the gods. Mahadevam Shankaram Sharanarthinaha Jagmuhu. So all the gods, they went as Sharanarthi. Sharanarthi, one who is seeking Sharana, one who is seeking refuge, or one who is seeking solace, one who is seeking protection. Sharanarthina, all the gods went to Pashupati, Rudra, Shankara, Mahadeva, various qualifiers, various names given to Shankara. All of them went seeking Sharanu, 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 Sharanu. What were they saying? Trahi, Trahi. Oh, protect us, protect us. Even gods also were disturbed with this Visham that came out. So they all went running to Sharana, to Shiva. As we have seen, always Shiva is the only one, first one, only one who can take up anything, everything for the worlds. Because Jagatah Pitaha, because he is the father. He and Parvati are the Jagatah Pitarahu. They are the parents of this entire world. So even if the son makes dirty, children make all dirty things, parents will still take it up with all love. So Jagmuhu, Jagmuhu means Jagama is singular tense, Jagmu is plural tense. All the gods Jagmuhu, to where? To Pashupati, Rudra, Shankara, Mahadeva, saying what? Trahi, Trahi, iti Tushtuvuhu. Tushtuvuhu is also another litlakara past tense. Stutim Krutavantaha is Tushtuvuhu. So they did stotra of Shankara by praising, by first of all saying Trahi, Trahi, and then praising him as Rudra, Pashupati, Shankara, Mahadeva, Trahi, Trahi. They all went and prayed to him. Eva Muktastato Devaihi.
एवमुक्त सतो देवैः
देवदेवेश्वरः प्रभुः
देवदेवेश्वरः प्रभुः
प्रादुरासीत् ततोत्रैव
प्रादुरासीत् ततोत्रैव
शङ्खचक्रधरो हरिः.
शङ्खचक्रधरो हरिः.
So evamuktah, thus told Shiva, meaning thus all these gods have prayed. Tataha devadevaihi deveshwaraha prabhuhu harihi shankhachakra praduhu tatraiva asit. So even though all these gods were praying, that moment instantly there itself, along with Shankha Chakra, holding Shankha Chakra, Harihi Praduhu Tatraiva Asit. He already existed, or he already appeared there because he was already there. So Hari also came with all the gods. Vishnu also came along with all these gods to Shiva. And he said, Uvachainam smitam kritva
उवाचैनं स्मितं कृत्वा
Rudram Shulabhrutam Harihi
रुद्रं शूलभृतं हरिः
Daivatair Mathyamane tu
दैवतैर्मध्यमाने तु
Yat Purvam Samupasthitam
यत्पूर्वं समुपस्थितं
Tvadiyam hi surasreshta
त्वदीयं हि सुरश्रेष्ठ
Suranam Agrajosi Yat
सुराणाम् अग्रजोऽसि यत्
Agra Puja Mimam Matva
अग्रपूजामिमां मत्वा
Grihanedam Visham Prabho.
गृहाणेनं विषं प्रभो.
So Vishnu said this to Shiva. In fact, in between several patha, between several versions, in this chapter, from after between 19th shloka, after 19th shloka onwards, there are different versions. So in some books, this entire thing is skipped. Hala Mandal is skipped, and it directly went to the next part of the Amritam, where Dhanvantari directly comes up with Amritam. But in other, as we know in Bhagavatam also, this is in detail. And so in the other one, in the Govindaraja version, these details, these additional details are also there. We do not know how many, or at least I do not know, which are inserted shlokas, which are additional shlokas, which are original shlokas. We do not know. Especially this one, right? Though gods have directly come and sought Shankara, but these additional shlokas here of Vishnu recommending something to Shiva seems probably an additional shloka here. But whatever, let us take it as a samanvaya of both Vishnu and Shiva. So, Uvacha enam rudram shulabhritam harihi smitam kritva uvacha. So, harihi shulabhritam, one who is holding shula, who is Shankara, rudram, unto him, uvacha, smitam kritva. The best talent or the best attribute of Vishnu is smita, always a smile. Smitam kritva. Rama also, smita purva bhashi. With a nice smile, they win anybody, everybody. So, smitam kritva uvacha. What did he say? Daivatair mathyamane tu, by gods, daivataihi. Mathyamane, in the process of churning, yat purvam samupasthitam, whatever was existing before, the first thing that came out, tvadiyam hi surasreshta, that is yours only, surasreshta, O best of gods. Suranam agrajosi yat, of course, you are the first one of all gods. You are the agrajaha, you are the best, or you are the oldest, or you are the first, or you are the top of all the gods. Suranam agrajosi yat, because you are the first of all the gods. So, Agrapujam imam matva. Take this as the first puja offered to you. Whatever has come first, we offer. For example, we start cooking. What do? We first offer that to God and then eat. So also, these gods were doing this big process of churning. First thing that came out is hala hala visham. And so, take this as naivedyam, is what Vishnu is telling Shankara. Agra pujam imam matva. Matva is matim kritva. Means take it as, kindly take it as, consider it as agra puja. Because agraosi yat. Suranam agraha asi. Because you are the first of all gods. So kindly take this as the first puja for you. Gruhana idam visham prabho. O Prabho Shankara, kindly take this as your puja, first puja, and take it, is what Vishnu, on behalf of all gods, has requested as a solution, as a suggestion. Ityuktva cha surasreshtaha.
Idyuktya cha surasreshtaha.
Tatraivantaradhiyata.
Tatraivantaradiyatha.
Devatanam bhayam drishtva.
Devatanam bhayam drishtva.
Shrutva vakyam tu sharanginaha.
Shrutva vakyam tu shranginaha.
Halahala visham ghoram.
Halahala visham goram.
Sajagrahamrutopamam.
Sajagrahamrutopamam.
Devan visrujya devesho.
Devan visrujya devesho.
Jagama bhagavan haraha.
Jagama bhagavan haraha.
So pradurasit, if you see in 22nd shloka, harihi pradurasit, he was there before. That means he existed there before. And now what did he do? Ityuktva, having said thus to Shankara, surasreshtaha, the best of all gods, tatraiva antaradhiyata, he disappeared there itself. One who exists anywhere, one who exists everywhere can appear anywhere. So he doesn't come, he appears because he's already there, he disappears. So that is our approach of seeing God. It is not that he's sitting somewhere and talking, he's there everywhere. He appears. He appears means we have that additional vision to see. If we don't have the vision to see, we cannot see. And for those who have that additional vision, curiosity, knowledge, techniques, they can see him everywhere, like Prahlada and all. So, tatraiva antaradhiyata, he disappeared there itself, having said that. And devatanam bhayam drishtva, by seeing the fear of all the gods. Vakyam tu sharanginaha shrutva. Sharangi, Sharanga is the name of the Vishnu's Dhanu, just as Pinaka is the name of the Shiva's Dhanu. Sharanga, Sharangadaraha, that is what becomes Saranga in regional languages as Apabhramsha. But Sharanga, Sharanga, it's a Samyuktaksharam. So Sharangi, one who holds Sharanga, Sharanginaha, of the Sharangi, means of the Vishnu Sharangis, Vakyam Shrutva, having heard Vishnu's plea and seeing the fear of the gods, Hala Hala Visham Ghoram, that horrible Hala Hala Visham, Saha Jagraha, he received it, he accepted it. Amrutopamam, he took it like Amrita. For Shankara, even that Ghoram Hara Haram Visham also, he took it like Amritam. Okay, he took it like that. And Deveshaha Bhagavan Haraha Devan Visrijya Jagama. So he took that Visham and he left gods there and he also disappeared. He also went away. Bhagavan Haraha also Jagama. He also left that. So God's fear is now solved. Shankara took the Visham and just like Amritam, and also left. So now gods will continue their project or their exploration. Tato devasuras sarve
Tato devasuras sarve
mamantuhu raghunandana
amantuhu raghunandana
praviveshatha patalam
praviveshadha patalam
manthanaha sarvatonagha.
manthanaha sarvatonagha.
So then again they started continuing, they came back to start churning, continuing the churning process. Devaha suraha sarve, devaha asuraha sarve mamantuhu. Again, mathanam kritavantaha is mamantuhu, that litlakara past tense. Raghunandana. But then what happened? Manthanaha, that stick to be around which you start churning. Manthanaha patalam pravivesha. Vivesha, pravivesha is also past tense. Pravesham kritavan. That means the stick entered patalam. That means it slid. The stick slid, dropped into the Kshiroda, into patalam, into the deep seabed almost. Patalam pravivesha. Sarvataha, all around, from all sides, that whole Mantara Parvata dropped into Patala. Sarvataha anagha. O Anagha, O Raghunandana, that Mandara Parvatam, which is the Manthanaha, after a while it slipped into the Patalam. Tato devasa gandharvaha.
Tato devasa gandharvaha
Sushtuvur madhusudanam.
Sushtuvur madhusudanam
Tvam gatis sarvabhutanam.
Tvam gatis sarvabhutanam
Visheshena divaukasam.
Visheshena divokasam
Palayasman mahabaho.
Palayasman mahabaho
Girimudhartumarhasi.
Giri muddhartu marhasi.
So tato devaha sagandharvaha, along with Gandharvas, all the gods. Madhusudanam sushtuvuhu, all of them did stotra of Madhusudana. Sushtuvuhu did the stotra of Madhusudana. What did they say? Tvam gatihi sarvabhutanam. You are the destiny, you are the destination for all beings. Visheshena divaukasam, especially to divaukasaha, those who live in the div world, those who live in the divine worlds. That is to us gods, especially to us gods, you are the gati, of course, for all beings. So palaya, so please, protect us or help us. Palaya asman, please protect us. Mahabaho, O strong one. Girim uddhartumarhasi, because you are Mahabahu, you have strong arms, so you can raise the Parvata, that Giri. Giri is Parvata, Mandara Parvata. Girim uddhartum, uddharanam is, dharanam is hold, ud, up, hold up. You will be able to hold up that Mandara Parvata. Arhasi, you are eligible, you are capable of holding up the mountain, which we are using as the Manthana. That is the prayer they did to Madhusudana. Iti shrutva Hrishikeshaha.
Iti shrutva Rishikeshaha.
Kamatam rupamastitaha.
Kamatam rupamastitaha.
Parvatam prishtatah kritva.
Parvatam prishtatah krutva.
Sishye tatro dadho harihi.
Shishye tatro dado harihi.
So now the first avatara of the Vishnu we are seeing. Iti shrutva, having heard this prayer of gods, Hrishikeshaha, Hrishikanam Ishaha, Hrishikeshaha. Hrishika is another name of Indriyas. So if the one who is keeping all our Indriyas alive, All senses. If our body is sensual, if our body still is conscious, whatever is that inside us, which is glowing and keeping our body conscious and not a dead corpse, that aspect in us is called Hrishikesha. So Hrishikesha Kamatham Rupamastitaha. Kamatha, Karmatha, Kamatha is that tortoise, big tortoise. Kurmavatara. Kurma, Kamatha, Karmatha, various words. So Kamatham Rupam, he now took the form of a Kamatha shell, because nobody can break the shell of the tortoise. So he took that form. And tortoise can be in water also, and can float in water with a hard shell on its back. So Prishtataha, on the back, Parvatam Kritva, so keeping the mountain on its back of the shell, Kamatham Rupamastitaha, Prishtataha Parvatam Kritva Sishye. Sishye is, it remained there. In fact, Seshaha is the word there. Sesha is remaining. Sishye is the verb form of it, which is, it remained there. It remained as a tortoise throughout this churning process, holding that entire Mandara Parvata on its back. Tatra Udadhau. Udadhi is ocean. Udadhihi is the ocean. Saptami Vibhakti is Udadhau. In that ocean, Harihi, Prishtataha, on its back, Parvatam Kritva, Tatra Sishye. And so the word Sishya also comes from the same word, from the same dhatu. One who remains there with the teacher always is Sishya. Not one who learns something and leaves. No. One who is constantly with him, remains with Guru, is Sishya. So Sishye, he remained there in that ocean as the Kurmavatara. Let's all do namaskara to Kurmavatara that we have seen now.
What is the dhatu here?
Sish.
Shishya.
Parvatagre tu lokatma.
Parvatagre tu lokatma.
Hastenakramya Keshavaha.
Hastenakramya Keshavaha.
Devatanam madhyatasthitva.
Devatanam madhyasthitva.
My mistake. Devanam madhyatasthitva.
Devanam madhyasthitva.
Mamantha Purushottamaha.
Mamantha Purushottamaha.
So Parvatagre tu lokatma. So at the bottom of the mandara, he now took the Kurmavatara. Parvatagre, on the top of the Parvata, Parvatagre tu lokatma. Atma of all the worlds, lokatma. Hastena akramya Keshavaha. So even though he took it on his bottom, how to make sure that it doesn't slip and fall? So again, the same Vishnu, Keshavaha, Hastena akramya, by holding the top of the Mandara Parvata with the hand, Devanam madhyataha sthitva, by of course standing in between, amidst the gods. Mamantha Purushottamaha. So Purushottamaha, he standing in between the gods, along with gods, he also started churning. So see, this itself shows our concept of Sarvantaryami. I mean, if he becomes tortoise, it doesn't mean he's not there anywhere else. He is tortoise at the bottom of the mountain. He is in between gods. He is at the top of the mountain holding it so that it doesn't fall. So he's there everywhere. I mean, what more symbolic narration, explanation of Sarvantaryami can be there? He's there at the bottom. He's there in between gods. He is holding it. That's why we say, Adihi, Tvamadi, Tvamadhya, Tvamantaha. You are there everywhere is another beautiful definition. of symbolic definition of the Sarvantaryami. Athavarshya sahasrena
अथवर्ष सहस्रेण
sadandah sakamandaluhu
सदण्डः सकमण्डलुः
पूर्वं धन्वंतरिर nama
पूर्वं धन्वन्तरिर्नाम
apsarascha suvarchasaha.
अप्सराश्च सुवर्चसः.
So after again another 1,000 years of such exploration, Sadandaha along with Danda, a stick that they hold, right? And Sakamandaluhu along with a Kamandalu, holding a jar of liquids typically for Achamanam, etc. Sakamandaluhu Purvam Dhanvantarihi Nama, by name Dhanvantari, one with Kamandalu and Danda, Apsarascha Suvarchasaha, and along with several Apsaraha. Apsaraha, Apsu, Up, Rasaha, Yesham, Te Apsaraha. So Apsaraha are those who have more of up quality, more of water quality, aqua bodies. Apsu Nirmathana Deva.
Apsu Nirmatana
Rasastasmad Varastriyaha.
Rasastasmad Varastriyaha.
Utpetur Manujasreshta.
Utpetur Manujasreshta.
Tasmad Apsaraso Bhavan.
Tasmad Apsaraso Bhavan.
So Apsu Nirmathanat Eva. Nirmathanam, Mathanam. Apsu, in water, in liquid, in water, because they have done mathanam. Rasaha tasmat varastriyaha. From that, these special female bodies have come up. Utpetuhu, they have risen from that churning of that ocean. So tasmat apsarasaha abhavan. So they got this name, or so they became Apsaraha. By churning the ocean from the rasa, from the essence of churning the ocean, whatever female bodies, beings have come out, because they came out of up as rasa, so they are called Apsara, Apsarasaha, Apsaras, Apsarasaha. Shashtik kotyo bhavantasam.
Shashti kotyo bhavansantam.
Apsaranam suvarchasam.
Apsaranam suvarchasam.
Asankheyastu kakutsa.
Asankheyastu kakutsa.
Yastasam paricharikaha.
Yastasyam paricharikaha.
Shashtihi koti abhavan tasam apsaranam suvarchasam. So there were 60,000 Shashti kotihi, 60, call it 60 crores or 60 groups of the Suvarchas Apsaranam, of the beautiful glowing Apsaras, Asankheyaha, innumerable number of Paricharikaha Tasam Abhavan. So of the 60 crore Apsaras that have come, innumerable number of their assistant helpers, Paricharikaha, also were born out of this churning of the ocean. Natasma pratigruhnanti.
Natasma pratigruhnanti.
Sarve te devadanavaha.
Sarve te devadanavaha.
Apratigrahana deva.
Apratigrahana deva.
Tena.
Tena.
Sadharana smritaha.
Sadharana smritaha.
So, because they were sort of very subtle, delicate, and aqua type of bodies, otherwise let's call it mermaids or whatever, right? And because they seemed like that, taha, and them, sarve devadanavaha te na pratigrindanti. Neither gods nor danavaha didn't welcome them, didn't accept them. Nobody accepted them. Apratigrahanat, because nobody received them, because of denial by all gods or demons. If anyone took, then it would have become his. Because nobody took, all of them became sadharanaha iti smritaha. One is they became general. That means common. They became common people, common bodies, which means they can be used by anybody in a way. Sadharanaha smritaha. Sadharanaha is another word for anyone who can be commonly used, a common property. They became a common property, not as one person's wife or anything like that. So they became common properties. Varunasya tatah kanya.
Varunasya tatah kanya.
Varuni Raghunandana.
Varuni Raghunandana.
Utpapata Mahabhaga.
Utpapata Mahabhaga.
Margamana Parigraham.
Margamana Parigraham.
So Varunasya, so from then of the god Varuna, who is the god, who's the aspect, divine aspect of all water, rivers, etc. So Varunasya tatah kanya Varuni. Varunasya kanya Varuni. Varuna's child is called Varuni. Tataha Utpapata, she now came out. Utpapata Mahabhaga. Margamana Parigraham. So she was also looking for, oh, I've come out. Who will take me now? Margamana Parigraham. Dite putra natam Rama.
Dite putra natam Rama.
Jagruhur Varunatmajam.
Jagruhur Varunatmajam.
Aditestu Suta Vira.
Aditestu Suta Vira.
Jagruhus Tam Aninditam.
Jagruhus Tam Aninditam.
So she was looking. Margamana means Margam Anveshayati Ya Sa Margamana. So Margamana, she was looking, who will take me? Who will take me? And so Ditehe Putraha, Dite's children, Tam Na Jagruhu, Varunatmajam. Varuna's child is Varunatmaja. Varunatmajam Tam Ditehe Putraha Rama Na Jagruhu. So Dite's sons, Daiteyas, they didn't take her. Aditestu Sutaha Vira Jagruhu Tam Aninditam. So Aditehe, gods have accepted her. Yes, let's take Varuni. So they took Varuni and Aninditam. So she became Anindita, blameless. Asurastena Daiteyaha.
Asurastena Daiteyaha.
Surastena Adite Sutah.
Surastena Adite Sutaha.
Hrishta Pramuditas Chasan.
Hrishta Pramuditas Chasan.
Varuni Grahanat Surah.
Varuni Grahanat Suraha.
So how did the word Sura come? Asura and Asura is being explained here. Asuraha Tena Daiteya. Because of that, because they didn't accept Varuni, they became Asuraha. Suraha Tena Aditehe Sutaha. Because of that, Aditehe Sutaha were called Suraha and Ditehe Sutaha, Daiteyaha were called Asuraha. Why? Because Varuni Grahanat Suraha. Because they have accepted Varuni, they became Suraha. There is one Nirvaktihi Asura iti. Prasangat Surasura Shabdau Nirvakti Asura iti. Tena Surayaha Parigrahanena Suraha. So Varuna is a Sura, a god. She is Sura, Strilinga Padam. So Sura, whoever have accepted Sura became Suraha. Those who didn't accept her, Asuraha. So that's the simple definition that came by accepting Sura, who is Varuna's daughter, Varuni. They became, gods became Suraha because they accepted Surayaha Parigrahanat Suraha. Tena Aparigrahanat Asuraha. That is the definition there. Uchchaishrava Hayasreshta.
Uchchaishrava Hayasreshta.
Hayasreshto.
Hayasreshto.
Maniratnam cha Kaustubham.
Maniratnam cha Kaustubham.
Aditishtan Narasreshta. Udatishtan Narasreshta.
Udatishtan Narasreshta.
Tathaivaamrutam uttamam.
Tathaivaamrutam uttamam.
So now one after another in that churning, what all have started coming out, have coming up. Uchchaishravaha. Uchchaishravaha iti Hayasreshta. The best of the horses called Uchchaishravaha. That first came up. Then Maniratnam, the best of the gem called Kaustubham. Maniratnam Kaustubham has come up. Udatishtat, Ut Atishtat. So they have stand up, they have risen up. Uchchaishravaha, Kaustubham, Tathaiva, also Amrutam, Uttamam Amrutam. So finally Amrutam also came up in that order. Atatasya krite Rama.
Atatasya krite Rama.
Mahanasit Kulakshayaha.
Mahanasit Kulakshayaha.
Aditestu tatah putraha.
Aditestu tatah putraha.
Ditehe putrana sudayan.
Ditehe putrana sudayan.
So atha tasya krite. So again, lot of details Valmiki narrates in very brief. The actual details are in Bhagavatam and other Puranas. Lot more details of how who took each. But we all know Uchchaishrava Indra takes, Kaustubham Vishnu takes as his money. And now Amrutam. So that means for Apsaras, the Daiteyas didn't worry. For Uchchaishrava, they didn't worry, or they didn't care. For Kaustubham, they didn't care. As soon as Amrutam came, that's it. Now, that means till that time, gods were taking one by one because these Daiteya didn't worry about them. They didn't care. They were only focused on Amrutam. But gods, whatever have come up, oh, let's make use of it. Okay, let's take this one by one. They were taking each one. So finally, for Amrutam, once it came up, then Tasya Krite, for the sake of Amrutam, Mahan Kulakshayaha Asit. Kulakshayaha, the family destruction happened. All of them were brothers together, cousins till then. Now, Mahan Kulakshayaha, among them, lot of people died. Lot of children, sons have died. Aditestu tataha putraha, Adite's sons. Ditehe putran asudayan. As part of that war, Adite's sons have killed lot of Ditehe putran, Dite's sons. So Adityas have killed several Daityas is what is the meaning of that. Ekato bhyagaman sarve.
Ekato bhyagaman sarve.
Hyasura rakshasai saha.
Hyasura rakshasai saha.
Yuddhamasin mahaghoram.
Yuddhamasin mahagoram.
Veera trailokya mohanam.
Veera trailokya mohanam.
So ekataha abhyagaman sarve. Hi asuraha rakshasaihi saha. Along with Rakshasaha, all the Asuraha, Ekataha Abhyagaman. So far, probably they were fighting independently here and there, disunited, unorganized. Finally, they realized, Are Bapre, we are losing a lot of our forces. So they all ekataha, they all came together to one place. They all came together, they huddled up and sort of planned to organize themselves. And after that, by all the asuras coming together, Mahan Ghoram Yuddham Asit, Vira Trilokya Mohanam, which was like all three worlds were amazed and observing. Oh my God, what a horrible war is going on. So such a horrible war took place. Yada kshayam gatam sarvam.
Yada kshayam gatam sarvam.
Tada Vishnur Mahabalaha.
Tada Vishnur Mahabalaha.
Amrutam soharat turnam.
Amrutam soharat turnam.
Maya masthaya mohinim.
Maya masthaya mohinim.
So yet another definition. He was already Kurmavatar. He is already fighting with gods. He is holding it on the top of it. And now he also comes as Mohini. Mohini Avataram. Finally, it comes here. Yada kshayam gatam sarvam. As everything, as people were fighting and the yuddha was happening, Mahabalaha Vishnuhu saha amrutam aharat turnam. He took away the amrutam. Mayam asthaya. By Mohinim Mayam asthaya. In that mesmerizing, what do you say? Maya. Maya is illusion. In that mesmerizing, elusive action, he took away the amritam. Vishnu took away the amritam. Ye gatabhimukham Vishnum.
Ye gatabhimukam Vishnum.
Akshayam Purushottamam.
Akshayam Purushottamam.
Sampishtaste tada yuddhe.
Sampishtaste tada yuddhe.
Vishnuna Prabhavishnuna.
Vishnuna Prabhavishnuna.
So those who went abhimukham, those who went face to face to fight with Purushottama, Vishnu, Akshayam, who is Vishnu is Akshaya, he is infinite, right? Infinite. Sampishtaha, they were all smashed. Sampishta, smashed. Tada yuddhe Vishnuna Prabhavishnuna. With Vishnu, who is a Prabhavishnu, with him, whoever went face to face to fight with him, they were smashed. Aditeratmaja Veera.
Aditeratmaja Veera.
Dite Putran Nijagnire.
Dite Putran Nijagnire.
Tasmin Yuddhe Mahaghore.
Tasmin Yuddhe Mahaghore.
Daiteyaditya Yorbhrusham.
Daiteyaditya Yorbhrusham.
So Aditeratmajaha, Aditehe Atmajaha, Veeraha, Ditehe Putran Nijagnire. So Adite's sons in that Mahayuddha, they have killed all the sons of Diti. Yuddhe Mahaghore Daiteyadityayoho. Of the Daityas and Adityas, Bhrusham, strong or fearful war that took place. Adityas have killed several Daityas. Nihatya Diti Putranscha.
Nihatya Diti Putranscha.
Rajyam Prapya Purandaraha.
Rajyam Prapya Purandaraha.
Shashasa Mudito Lokan.
Shashasa Mudito Lokan.
Sarsha Sanghan Sacharanan.
Sarsha Sanghan Sacharanan.
So Purandaraha, who is the eldest of the sons of Aditya, he finally Rajyam Prapya, by obtaining the Rajya, Ditiputranscha Nihatya, by killing all the Dite's sons, Shashasa means Shashanam Kratavan, past tense. He ruled. Muditaha, very with all delight and happiness. Lokan, all the worlds. Sarshi Sanghan Sacharanan, along with Rishi Sanghaha and Charanaha. Means they have ruled all the worlds of all beings, of all species. So that's how this briefly the Ksheerasagara Mathanam story is narrated. The actual detailed stories are there in Bhagavatam and all, but here this much only is told by Vishwamitra to Sri Rama. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Kavye Balakande Panchachatvarimsha Sargah. Lavaji, can you tell Shanti mantra?
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhat Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Shubham.